Hey everyone, G here, and welcome back to another G's Bike Shop video. So it's been over 2 years since I had this dropper post, and it's been extremely reliable. Although now I have noticed that it's been a little bit slower than usual. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to take it apart and service it. So before we get started, we're going to wash away any dirt that's on the post and grab a couple things. So to get this job done, you'll need some rags, some silicone lubricant, grease, hex wrenches, and an adjustable wrench. First, start off by removing any grease to make this job a little less messy. Then remove the cap that houses the release mechanism for the dropper post. Now use the adjustable wrench to release the nylon string. Now you can compress the dropper post and remove the release mechanism. Next, slide down the cable actuator and remove the screw that holds the housing together. Now you can start to clean and remove all the old grease. Once you're satisfied with cleaning, now you can begin to add new grease. Make sure to add enough grease to all moving parts and metal-to-metal contacts. Now that everything is properly lubricated, it's time to reassemble the dropper post. Make sure to align the actuator with the nylon string to the opening of the plastic casing in between the two metal struts. Then carefully slide down the housing. Then, if necessary, reinstall the metal rod that aligns the nylon string. Now at this point, make sure that the nylon string is moving freely with the actuator. Now install the screw that holds the housing together. Next, slide down the 2 rubber bushings and reattach the release mechanism. Then reinsert the metal rod that activates the dropper post and attach the nylon string to the release mechanism. Then finally twist the cap back on and reinstall your dropper post. For a smooth insertion, apply grease to the dropper post. Apply a little bit of silicone lubricant to keep the seals lubricated. And there you have it. Your dropper post is freshly serviced and ready for your next ride. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to support the channel, leave a comment if you guys have any questions, and as always, get outside, ride some trails, and have a great day.